In couple of months, Shopee website or Shopee mobile app has been very famous among the online shoppers in India because of their flash sale. You can get products in just rupees 1, and also you can get products as just rupees 9, 49.99, and yes, these products really they deliver to home, and it is real flash sale offer, not like the me.com flash sale offer where you will not never get any product at rupees 1, but this website providing product at rupees 1 really to customers. So in this particular video I am going to give you a full in-depth review of Shopee mobile app or Shopee.in website, basically an e-commerce website right now operating in India. Not only I will talk about in the perspective of the buyers, I will also talk about in the perspective of sellers, whether they can open seller account or not. For the buyer perspective, I will talk about everything in details, their courier, which courier they will deliver, how long they will take to deliver, is there COD available or not, how much time it will take to give you the refund if you want to return any product, do they provide refund directly or some replacement, how long it will take to refund, and for the seller perspective, what kind of documents do you require to open a seller account, how much commission Shopee will take, what is about warehousing, everything in details I will talk about in this video. So watch this video till the end, and this video may be quite long, but if you watch this video till the end, everything will be clear. So let's get started. First, let me talk about what is Shopee, who is Shopee, is this a new startup right now in India or some other country operating this website. Like you already know, Amazon came from USA, they are operating already there and they later expanded their business to India. Same thing to Shopee. You have never knew this thing, but yes, it is the reality that Shopee is not a new website or a new brand. They are already very much famous in Southeast Asian country like Philippines, Vietnam, Singapore. In this country, they're already operating such a long time. They're also operating in Colombia, Brazil, this kind of country. So they are already a e-commerce website. They have expanded their business in India 2021. Number 2. What is the user experience about the website and application? I must say it's a very good website or it's a very good application. Its design is quite a simple and clean UI, so you can buy it and order everything and you can check everything. In the order section, my order terms as your purchases. So some terms is something where you can find different, but apart from that, this is a very clean UI. If you used AliExpress website earlier, then you might notice the same thing applying here. So basically what thing happened in AliExpress and also in Shopee, if you receive a product, you will get around some time. After that, if you click on order received or you are happy with the product, your purchase protection will end. This kind of purchase protection or buyer protection was also given by AliExpress. Same thing is Shopee guarantee. Same thing, the name is changed. Terms that Shopee guarantee, Shopee will also provide. Till you are satisfied on accepting the order, your order is delivered, your money will be kept with Shopee. After this return period or whatever their guarantee, Shopee guarantee period is over, your money will be transferred to the seller account unless and until you open a dispute. The same thing here, also like AliExpress, same thing here. Number 3. Does their flash sale like rupees 1, rupees 9 real or just gimmick? As you can see right now in the screen, I have already ordered some of the products of rupees 9 from Shopee websites, and they run this kind of flash sale 3 or 4 times per day, in 12 midnight, in 12 noon, 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. 4 times they run usually, and some days like Wednesday or where the 1 rupee sale they run. This kind of sale operates also in 2 p.m. 6 p.m. so occurrence is higher. How much quantity they sell in the flash sale. Basically 30 to 40 quantity per product they usually sell, so within a very much less milliseconds or maximum 1 second this kind of product will last. But the good thing is that before the flash sale starts, they list all the products and all the timings of the product when it will go to flash sale. So if you really want to buy that product, just open the product page and keep refreshing. So as soon as it is a 12 noon or 12 p.m, you just hit the buy now and proceed. So your order will complete, and keep your address saved earlier in the address book. Same thing applied in Flipkart, Amazon, same thing also applied here. Next thing, delivery charge. What is the delivery courier partner, how long it will take. It's all about the shipping. So Shopee, one motto is there, they will never charge, or as of now they are saying they will never charge single rupee for a shipping. Everything will be there included. So shipping will be every time free, whether it is 1 rupees product, 9 rupees product, 100 rupees product, or 1000 rupees product, whatever product is there, every time your shipping will be free. Next, which courier partner will be used for the delivery? They are using two courier partner. First is the Ecom Express, second is the delivery. The beauty of this here, you can manually select one of them during the checkout. You can select which courier you want to ship. So I tried both courier in my location, and both courier deliver on the same day, maximum 1 day difference. So both courier works the same way, but it depends upon the pin code coverage. Sometimes maybe Ecom Express deliver that particular location where delivery is not available, and vice versa. One thing I can say, if you are ordering through the delivery for the out for delivery SMS, you will not get if you are getting via delivery. Maybe there is some bug or some cost cutting from delivery to reduce the shipping cost. But if you do it via Ecom Express, you will get out for delivery SMS, and as well as out for pickup SMS, and as well as product delivered SMS. Next thing about packing. Right now Shopee is not using any kind of customized packing where their logo is there like Amazon, Flipkart use. They're using basically the generic packing, maybe cartoon box, cardboard box, or poly bags, which is without non-branded, I can say. Brand packing quality, normal packing quality, whatever Amazon, Flipkart, every other e-commerce website right now using same poly bag, using here also bubble bag they use where it is needed. So packing is also up to the mark, and shipping I already said also up to the quality of product. Here comes some different things. Look, they're providing very cheap rate, and basically if you compare this Shopee site, you can compare this Shopee site with AliExpress. Here you will not get a fully branded product, costly product like real mobile phone like Redmi mobiles, what kind of mobile, laptop, desktop which sells costly product in Amazon, Flipkart, those product you will not get here. Here the website motto or the niche is cheap price product, cheap quality product, and basically generic product or Chinese product. If you go to the local shop market like Delhi or Kolkata Chandni Chowk market, what kind of product, electronics or non-electronics product you will get at a cheap price as a wholesale market there. Same thing you will get here also in Shopee. So right now the price of the Shopee is almost equal to the local offline shop market price. So you can compare this to that offline store where you want to get cheap quality, cheap price, generic product or Chinese imported product. You cannot compare this website with Amazon or Flipkart. So if you really want to buy some HDMI cable, some headphone, some cleaner or plastic products, bucket, bowl, this kind of things, definitely you can buy from Shopee. The quality of the product will be delivered. Generic product is same as Amazon or Flipkart. You will get the unbranded generic product which is imported from China. Those are the same, but price will be difference around 100 rupees or 110 rupees, 50. At least you will get difference between 50 rupees. And another thing is that if you are ordering from Amazon, Flipkart, if it is below 500, you will have to pay the shipping cost. But in Shopee, shipping cost will be free. Next thing, which is the heart or the core of the e-commerce business, that is return refund policy. First of all, how is there any return or refund policy? Answer is yes, they provide 7 days of refund policy or return policy. Next thing, directly they will refund or replacement fast. Right now they are not providing any kind of replacement. Direct you will get the refund. Is there COD or the cash on delivery option is available for new account or all the orders? Answer is yes, they provide cash on delivery option, whether it is 1 rupees product, 100 rupees product, 1000 rupees product. Another thing is that lots of e-commerce websites charge you around 50 rupees if you are opting for a cash on delivery. Shopee does not charge you anything if you are opting for the cash on delivery. That's a very much good thing. Another thing is that as it is a new site, people will not directly trust this website. This is the fact. So that's why they are open cash on delivery option from the day one of the website. So you will get cash on delivery option, which will be very much good. Another thing is that you can pay via UPI or the QR code, scan code. When your delivery executive are coming, just say them that I will pay via UPI. They will give you a QR code. You just have to scan those QR code and pay from your mobile. So in that case, you will not to have use the cash, and as well as you will not to be a risky part that you have to pay first, then product will come. First product will come, you will see the box, then you will scan the QR code and pay via online, and everything will be done. So that's a very good thing. Next thing is the refund time frame, how long it will take from refund. I also checked this feature from Shopee. So they basically refund, they say within 7 days or 14 days they will refund. Working days, 3-4 working days, which is normal banking procedure. What I have tried, I have returned one Bluetooth speaker. That return was picked up in the next day. After the pickup was done on the afternoon or the noon around 1 or 2 p.m. and the same day around 11 p.m. in the night, I got refund from Shopee. How the refund was done? I paid the order from cash on delivery. So you have to add your bank account, means bank account number and IFSC code in the Shopee account, or you can give the UPI ID. Just give the UPI ID there. Then you have to set this UPI ID as a default cash on delivery order refund account. So what will happen, as soon as the pickup is complete and it will be confirmed by the seller will accept it. Basically during the pickup, your courier partner will pick up the image of the product. The seller will see the image and from there just will accept the order. As soon as they accept the refund, you will receive the seller accepted the refund, and then you will receive the refund was initiated. As it is a cash on delivery and instantly they will refund you. So if it is a Amazon or Flipkart, same thing happens. If you pay via cash on delivery and if you are going to refund will be manually created from the Amazon or the e-commerce end. So it will reach to your account instantly. So as it is in the night 11 p.m. I received the amount in my bank account. So there is no problem about the refund procedure. Last thing about the buyer, it's about customer support. Shopee have a toll-free contact number where you can contact in 2 languages, English and Hindi, and also their website supports 2 languages, English and Hindi. So you can talk with their executive very easily. Just select the language and select why are you calling. Is it for the order status or the refund status? Press 1 or 2. Press 2 for the refund status, and they will directly connect your call to their executive, and executive will ask your order number or your registered mobile number, and then they will assist you. So very easy process to talk to customer care, and customer care responds very quickly, maximum 1 to 2 minutes they will pick up your call. It is not like Amazon or Flipkart where you have to press 1 2 lots of high BR option. No, it's not with Shopee. That's a great thing. So this concludes the perspective as a buyer. Now I am going to talk about seller perspective, whether you can open your seller account here also in Shopee. If you are still doing business in Amazon or Flipkart, and can you open the account in Shopee, what will be the procedure? So yes, you can open unlimited e-commerce website. You can open account in unlimited e-commerce website as far as you have a GST number. So the requirement is you should have a PAN card, GST number and bank account. and the address where you want to ship your order from which address. So that's all a normal basic requirement for doing a e-commerce online business in India right now talk about the commission, how much commission they take. Amazon, Flipkart does take a very good big commission. So what is the commission about Shopee? As Shopee right now doing promotion, so they are basically using zero commission. Yes, you heard the right thing, that Shopee will not charge you a single penny for the seller. If you are selling 200 rupees product, if the 200 rupees product accepted by the buyer, return period of over, you will get 200 rupees full amount in your bank account. So as of now, they are not taking commission, but if in future they take the commission, I don't know how many percentage will be there, but at normal sense, they will charge very much lower than the other e-commerce site. Because in this case, if they charge less commission, product price will be less, customer will come more to buy product from Shopee. That's a normal sense. So if any soon Shopee apply their commission, it will be lesser than other big e-commerce websites. As of now, zero commission. So what about the shipping? So yes, as a seller, you do not have to take the headache of shipping, how to ship, what to ship. The courier partner will come to your home or to your office, to your warehouse, pick your product, and they will deliver to the customer. You do not have to take any headache. You just have to focus on your business, on your product and packing. That's it. Now let me talk about the warehousing. Does they provide the warehousing like Amazon or Flipkart have the big warehouse all around in India? As of now, Shopee do not have any kind of warehouse. It's a seller fulfillment warehouse or the seller fulfillment architecture, where seller have to ship the product from their own premises or own warehouse. So, and it will be revert back if it is a return product to your warehouse. There is no FBA or fulfillment center like Amazon or Flipkart as of now of Shopee. Last thing is that what kind of payment gateway they are using. They are using payment gateway, cash free payment gateway, which is cash free in India. Indian payment gateway they are using. Another thing is that where their website is hosted. As I said, this is South Asian company, so their website is hosted in Singapore, and they're using some Akamai SD company to host some your data or some static files. So fully it is right now operating everything from Singapore. Means your technical part, website part, everything is operating from Singapore. But yes, they have some office, some registration in India. Now my opinion, what is about the Shopee? So I think as of now, how the Shopee is performing, it is better than Paytm Mall, better than ShopClues, and better than Snapdeal as of now. But Flipkart or Amazon still the big giant or big e-commerce company. So I think Shopee will never beat with them, because Shopee are different needs, different type of website where you will get only cheap price product, not the big amount product like laptop, desktop, mobile. You will not get here as of now, but you will get the mobile screen cover, mobile protector, mobile back cover, screen guard, USB cable, power jack, HDMI cable. This kind of product you will get here, and also you will get clothing, footwear, this kind of thing you will get here. So if you are looking for this kind of product as a cheap rate, which is non-branded generic, definitely you can try Shopee, as there is easy return policy. But never buy product like Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphone, which is very cheap cost. As you can see, I bought this kind of Bluetooth neckband around 100 rupees, but it was nothing working. Sound is very low, one side is working, one side is not working, and the Bluetooth speaker I bought, it is automatically disconnecting. So just avoid Bluetooth devices like Bluetooth speaker and Bluetooth headphone. Apart from that, you can buy any product. So that's all in this video. If you have any question and query regarding Shopee India, Shopee.in, do ask me in the comment section. I will be definitely help you. That's all in this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and be safe.